This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
CB Supply, this is Richard.
Hi, Richard. This is Steve. I've installed one of the doorknob locks with the green lock.
Yeah, hang on 1 second.
Sorry,
hang on, let me
man,
catch up to you.
I'm looking for something at the same time I'm talking to you.
So hold on. Let me pull up that email because I'm going to be struggling if I don't see what you sent. Let's take a look. Okay, so you've got a Best green construction core installed in a Master grade 2 lever entry. Okay. Yet another Asian imported grade 2 lever lock. The lock does not seem to work. Okay, so you've got this grade 2 imported lever lock. Awesome. You've got a green core installed in it. Is that correct?
Yes. Yep. Per the instructions.
What keys do you have?
So, okay, I got one set of keys. Well, looks like there's an extra green lock. Anyway, so I have a set of keys. One set will just spin around and just keep spinning. Yep. And the other set will, it'll turn, but it turns the handle also. And if I pull it, sometimes when I pull it out, it pulls the lock core out.
Yeah, the core. Yeah, pulls the core out. Okay. So
is that the one that will pull it out? Is that the one I need for that lock?
Well, you need at least 2 keys for a for a small format interchangeable core. You need one key that's called the control key. All it does is rotate 90 degrees. All it does is rotate about 15 degrees. Its only job is to insert and remove the core. It does not operate the lock. Now, the reason that you put that control key in and it will operate the lever, it's because the lock is in an unlocked condition. You can rotate the lever with or without the cylinder or the core in it. You said if you pull on it, you'll pull the whole core out. That's the control key. Let's go back to the first key that you described. That's most definitely an operating key. When you stick it in, it will rotate 306 degrees ad infinitum, just like a revolving door would. There's only one possible answer to the problem, and that you're missing.
So, it'll spin. It'll just keep spinning around if I keep turning it.
Yep, it'll go ad infinitum. There's only one answer to this problem, and that is you're missing the driver. If you pull the core out and look at the back of the core, you'll see 2 small holes. Into those 2 small holes is where you insert what some people would call the tailpiece, but it's really not a tailpiece in small format. It'd be better to call it the driver. Some people call it a tuning fork because it kind of looks like that when you stick it in the back of the core. But you're missing the tailpiece or the driver, which kind of looks like a tuning fork. Sometimes they're straight and sometimes they're bent.
Okay, can you give me a second? I'm going to pull it out. Try to pull it out.
You'll want to look for this part in the box that the lock came out of.
No, it's not. What? Come out of the door. Okay, I have it out of the door. Okay, and the piece I'm looking for, what was it shaped like?
Well, some people would refer to it as a tuning fork, but sometimes it could also be a tuning fork that's bent.
I got it.
Okay, so stick that on the back of the core, then use the control key and insert the core back into the lever. And then remove the control.
Is it the one that I pulled it out with?
The control key is what allows you to insert and remove the core. That's all it does.
Okay,
So,
I inserted it, and then...
Okay. And now remove the control key without removing the core. So turn it back to 0 and then pull the core out, pull the key out.
When you say 0...
Clockwise, counterclockwise, about 15 degrees. Well, let's see here now. Yeah, counterclockwise, about 15 degrees.
Counterclockwise?
Right? Yeah, counterclockwise.
Yeah.
You know how you had to put the key in and then turn it clockwise a little bit? Go back the other way now.
It doesn't really... It doesn't really turn at all. I have the fork in it.
Well, it does turn because it had to turn, otherwise you could never have pulled the core out. When
I did pull the core out, it just barely turns.
It's like I said, it's 15 degrees, a very small turn, a very tiny turn. 15 degrees.
So, and then I can see this part on. I see the part that moves.
That's called the control. That's called the control lug. That's what holds the core in the lock, whether it be a lever or a mortise.
Should that be? You said when I turn it counterclockwise, it kind of sticks up out of.
It's supposed to, yes, sir, because that's what holds it in the lock.
Okay. Now what?
Is the core back in? Install the core into the lever with the tuning fork on the back of it.
With the tuning fork in it?
Yeah, gotta have that. Yeah, or it won't work.
Okay, give me some minute.
Who supplied these locks?
One more time.
Who supplied the locks?
I think I'm working in the hospital.
They did?
Okay, now pull the key out.
Yep, leave the core in, but pull the key out.
Okay. And then use the other key?
Now try the operating key and see what happens.
It feels, it works now.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you had an engine and 2 back tires, but no transmission, no drive shaft. That's the whole thing. You had the engine, the back tires, but no drive shaft. Now you added the drive shaft.
Okay. Yeah. Somehow I guess I missed that in the instructions. So. I appreciate your help.
Yeah, it's probably in the installation instructions, and I'm not here to preach about that, but I'm as guilty as anyone else of throwing them out first and going in head first. Anyway, I don't know if it is. I don't have any experience with this grade 2 lock from Master, but the people over at Master are good. So anyway, now, as Andy Rooney used to say, now you know the rest of the story.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You betcha. I'm glad it worked out. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. All right, bye.
Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.